Hello, good morning. And we're back to the analysis this morning, starting from XAUSD. The chart looks rough a little. Let's remove all the drawings. Yeah. Okay, now marking up the structure. We are now on a clean slate. This is a break of structure to the downside here, and that was powered by this eye. You can see powered the movement of this low that took out this previous low. Then we broke higher here, powered by this low. Then there's a candle close below these two here, and from this moment here we've shifted bullish, and the recent break of structure is here to the upside. So we're marking that bullish, and that was from this low here, from this low here. It's 30. Yeah. Okay, so in the 1 hour we are very bullish on XAUSD, and throughout the day, within this within this impulse move from this low to this high here, and one price to come down a little here, and be looking forward to see the bullish engulfing either on the 15-minute time frame today or the 1 hour time frame to take a buy position. On Euro USD, yeah, similar. We've broken to the upside also. This is the Saint low. hmm This is the high. This is the low that took out this previous low on the 4 hour. Then we went higher into this, and there was no candle close above this high till now. So this is the break of structure here, and this is another high, a new low formed, new higher high here, and the recent break of structure is here also. That's it on the 4 hour. And on the 1 hour, the move started from this low here. Yeah, we're looking forward to see confirmation to take a buy position here in form of the bullish engulfing. On USD so far the last break of structure is to the upside, and it happens around here. You can see this is a low, an high, lower low, higher low rather, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, a new higher formed, and this is the last impulse move that broke the structure to the upside, and the last break of structure here happened here, and it's to the upside. Excuse me. And so far on the 1 hour, there's an entry on the 4 hour time frame. You can see this candle came, took out the previous low formed by this previous candle and closed above it. That's the form of the engulfing I'm talking about, and that happened around here. So that pips is quite much. That's like 53 pips, and that's way too much for me. So this is the protected low on the 4 hour time frame on USD and within this impulse move from this low to this high, also be looking for the bullish engulfing either on the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour to confirm a buy position. This is a nice entry here, just formed recently. You can see took out the previous low formed by this candle, then closed above it. But that's quite late now. Let's just see what happens here. And we aim for the first partial, which is 1:3, and the second 1:5. Okay, So the next pair GBP card. GBP card on the 4 hour. This is the last impulse to the downside, and that was a break of structure here that took out the previous lows here. So we're gonna be marking the last break. It was from here to this side, and this range here from this high to this low is still very valid. You can see nothing above it, neither is anything below it. So far I'll be looking forward for selling confirmations. And this is a large engulfing candle confirming that. Let's see how large that is right now. That's like 70 pips. That's quite much. But on the 1 hour time frame, we're looking forward to see bearish engulfing. Yeah, this is one here. After the close of this candle, I'll be taking a sell position of this. That's a good entry right there. Then we'll go for 1/5. On GBP also, let's do the markup from the 4 hour. And this is the high. This is the last break of structure to the downside that formed the new lower low here. It formed the new, no, it took out this low and formed the new lower low. It took out this previous low here, formed the new one. And this high here, you can see me placing the cursor on it. There is no candle close above it. Yes, we just have the wick. Yeah, you can just see this large wick goes above it. And so on the 1 hour, I'll still be looking forward to sell. And so far, there is nothing like an entry here. You can also check the 15-minute time frame for confirmation to take a sell position. You can see this is one here. This is one entry here for me, form of the bearish engulfing, and still very valid. This is another year. It's running very valid. So that's it. And the next pair I'll be looking at is ADUSD. ADUSD the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we happen to have broken to the upside. This is the last high, lower high, and the lower low. Now we formed the new higher high here. So yeah, that's the last break to the upside. And that move started from this low here. So this is the protected low, and this is the new high we formed. So within these, you'll be looking forward to see a little reversal, then the confirmation to take a buy position. On GBP USD, on the 4 hour, the last break of structure. Okay, let's mark it up from here. There's an high, a low formed. We took out this high to form the new higher high, broke to the upside here, and that was powered by this low right here. Then form the new higher high here, powered by this low to form the new higher high. Then we broke to the downside from a new lower low here, and that movement was powered by this high here. And now we've taken out the high to form a new higher high. So the last break of structure is to the upside, and this is it. And that move started from this low here. So now within this move from this low to this high, you'll be looking forward to see the confirmation to buy. And you know what I mean? It's in front of the bullish engulfing now because we're on the upside. Okay, throughout today, if there's no close above it yet, there might be a little reversal, then take it long again. On USD card, on the 4 hour, you can see from here we have this high and a low. The lows below it here created a new lower low, broke to the upside here. We have a new high here, a new higher high formed again, powered by this low. Then we took out this previous low again to form a new lower low, and this high was taken out here. That's the break of structure to the upside, powered by this low. This new higher high also was taken out here to form a new high, and that move started from this low here. So this low is now taken out, has been taken out again to form a new lower low, and this, yeah. So the move started from this high here. There's a little buying activity there. So this is it on the 1 hour, and within it now we'll continue looking for the bearish engulfing to confirm a sell position. On USD CHF, the last pair we'll be looking at this morning, on the 4 hour, this is an high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high again. Yes, and this low is still valid, and this high is yet to be taken out by a new high. So this is the last impulse move, and this low is a protected low till we have a break of structure below it or above it. And on the 1 hour and 15-minute time frame, we start looking for confirmations to buy, and this is one here. I'll obviously be taking this position now. This is, yeah, that's like 10 pips, and that's a confirmation for me to buy. All right, thank you for joining this morning recap session, morning forecast session. Hope to see you tomorrow this evening, and don't forget to like and subscribe or comment your ideas. I'll be looking forward to